Hey guys, it's me, Casey. Sorry I didn't make a video for New Year's Eve. Well, this is really my late New Year's Eve video, and I'm gonna sing Firework by Katy Perry. And I know it's kind of the same thing, because, it's kind of not the same thing because 4th of July there's fireworks, but, and also on New Year's Eve there's fireworks. So, this is for you. Do you ever feel like a pacifier? She's singing the wind, falling inside again. Do you ever feel just a pacifier? Like a pacifier, so you do it again. Do you ever feel already baby? 16 and the second moment, get to hear the sound. Do you understand? You're a champion, baby, stopping you. You got it right. To go and right, like a perfect You don't have to feel like you're a friend. You're original. Cannot be ashamed. You know the truth. Let the future move. Never again. You're ready to lie. I can feel the cry. It's nothing longer. It's to the pleasure. Lying every day. You're talking to. You're talking to. You got me even better than the moon. Even better than the moon. Yeah, guys, sorry about my singing. It's probably really bad. I tried. I haven't sung in a long time. If you probably heard like some construction noises, we're doing having construction in our house. So this is for you. Really sorry about my singing. I'm probably terrible. Sorry about my really late video. I'm gonna make one almost every week. So I'll try my best. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below. And also, if you want, follow me on Twitter. And, well, that's it. Bye.